It's here. Today's the day. In this box is my first ever folding smartphone. So I don't want to keep you guys waiting. I don't want to keep myself waiting because I've been impatiently waiting for this for the past 2.5 hours. So let's get in the box and see what we get. Alrighty, so in the interest of not doxing myself, I'm gonna open it this way. This is fresh off the FedEx truck. Showed up like maybe 5 minutes ago. All right, so here's my packing list. Galaxy Z Fold3 5G flip cover with S Pen. Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag Plus, 1-pack denim. This one I had too, but all right. Wireless charger trio white, 25 watt super fast wall charger white, Galaxy Z Fold3 5G 256 unlocked. What the hell kind of packing material is this? It's like a wickered basket, but in paper form. Oh, everything's right here. Okay. Alrighty, so I did order two. Okay. We're gonna start with the boring stuff, the accessories. So this is their 25 watt fast charger. The only reason I got this is because when I bought the S Pen and the case and the charger, they offered me this and the 2 smart tags for like free, so I took it because I wanted to make video on the smart tags anyways. But this is it if you've gotten any like flagship phone, I want to say since the S10. You'll be familiar with that. The wireless charger trio comes in white and black, same with the brick on the table. I got white because it fits my aesthetic over there where this is going. I got a nice little pull tab on it, and it comes with its own brick, so that's cool. Now I'm gonna have 4 of these. So here's the charger itself. There's 2 Qi pads and then a spot for the Galaxy watches. I'm actually gonna go find my watch active to see if it works on this. I'm sure it will. Get a Type-C to Type-C cable. We're gonna do the smart tags next. Oh wow, these are actually a lot bigger than I thought they'd be. But yeah, here you go. Do that again real quick. I'll just speed this one up. All right. Second most interesting thing before we get into the actual phone itself is the cover and the S Pen Fold Edition. Now, I'm not really super big on styluses. Like I'll use it with my Tab S7 and I'll use my iPad's Apple Pencil 2 every now and then. This is your little niblet remover with 3 extra nibs, so that's cool. The case itself is like a little leather folio type deal, and then on the spine of the case you can put your S Pen in. S Pen looks pretty good. The tip is supposed to retract so that way, oh yeah, but the tip does retract, but you have to put a fair bit of pressure on it. So I'm not sure how well that's gonna go. Now for the main event, here's the phone. The box is pretty slim because they don't include a charger, but that's okay. I have 2 of them, and I'm getting another 2 tomorrow. So I ordered the flip as well as the fold, so be sure to check back for that. Here we go. Go to B cam. Oh wow. Oh wow. All right. Put that to the side. We're gonna get everything else out first. SIM eject tool, I'm actually gonna need that. Get your black Type-C to Type-C cable and what I would assume is some literature. But here she is. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Here's the peel. Okay, so I got the green flavor, and you can't really tell it's green until you look at it on a certain axis, which I don't really care about. I have, right here, I have a D-brand skin, so I'm gonna smack that on there and cover it up. But here we go, let's get the first boot. I don't know if the iPhone's gonna pick it up, but we have the in-display, oh yep, there it is, the in-display camera. I don't know how much I'm gonna like that, but it is there, and it is something new. Wow, the split keyboard actually feels pretty comfortable. I didn't think I'd like it because on the iPad I absolutely despise it. Just by playing around with it here, the crease is there. I haven't folded it yet, but if I'm looking at it head on like this, I don't really see it. Like if I show it on camera with like the lights and everything reflecting, it is very clearly there. Like if I look at it off axis, it's there. If I look at it straight on, like I'm watching a YouTube video or typing something, it's not super noticeable. It's not as in my face as I thought it would be. There is a learning curve to the keyboard, but I feel like after maybe a day or 2, I'm gonna be pretty proficient with it. All right, so here's the warnings. They're a little further into the setup this time around from what I remember from the first and second fold. It's water resistant this time around, so they coated all the materials inside. It's not dust proof though, so maybe don't take it to the beach. That looks beautiful. Look at that. See, the crease is there, but like See, when you hold it like this, you look at it straight on, it's not there. But when I tilt it, we catch some of my studio lights in there. It is very noticeable. But yeah, here we go. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. This is the thing that I've been dying to do to a phone without having to spend $1,000 to replace it. Oh, that is satisfying. Hold up. That's a nice sound. All right, so the small screen, pretty good. It is now 120 hertz. The last one was not. The last one was 60 hertz. The only 120 hertz screen was the one on the inside. So now they're both 120. That's a little weird. It extends a little more than the actual phone does, but when you fold it up, oh, it's not magnetic, so it doesn't hold, so it's gonna flop. Let's try the S Pen. So it does not seem to work on the outside display. So that's I guess, I don't know. When we open it up to the inside, there you go, it works right away. I don't want to take jerry-rigged everything's job, but if I press in a little harder, yeah, there's no blemishes. Like, I'm pushing fairly hard. Fingerprints, unless you're like trying to stab through the screen, I don't think are gonna kill this one. Just, that's so cool. This is awesome. I'm genuinely excited to start using this. So here is the moment that you've all been waiting for, that I've been waiting for. We're going to eject my Mint Mobile SIM on my OnePlus Nord N100. If you haven't seen the video that I did on this where I reviewed it after my 2 weeks of using it, it's right up here. So go give it a look. It's a pretty good video. It's like a $200 phone that actually doesn't suck. It's only single SIM this time, which is all right. I don't really need to worry about dual SIM. Service provider update. Okay, so we're gonna update it. My Mint SIM is now firmly inside Galaxy Z Fold3, and I'm gonna start playing around with it. Check back in 2 weeks for my thoughts on this one, and check back tomorrow for my video on the Flip that I'm gonna do when that shows up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited for the folds, because I am. If you are, let me know in the comments. What one would you prefer? I'll see you guys again tomorrow or whenever my Flip shows up. See you then.